Hey everyone, I am Imraan Alam. I'm a designer, I'm a creative problem solver, and now someone on a mission to learn Ruby on Rails from scratch. This channel, Zero to Rails, is where I will be sharing that journey openly, honestly, and hopefully in a way that helps someone out there too. So, before we begin, little about myself. I have been in UI UX design, which is user interface and user experience design space for years. I have worked with global brands like IKEA, Kaiser, Burberry, and so many others, designing websites, apps, and enterprise platforms. I love building things that people find easy to use. Now, there's the thing. I have always known HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript. I have been, I even built quite a few websites over the years, especially using WordPress. But backend development that I always felt like a wall I will never climb. Not because I didn't want to, but because life, work, and deadlines always got in the way. And honestly, many backend languages just felt too complex for someone who comes from a design mindset. So that is also a reason. So why you might ask why Ruby on Rails? After trying and struggling with other backend technologies, I came across Rails and something just clicked. Ruby as a language is readable, simple, and kind. It doesn't scream at you with scary error messages. It feels like writing in plain English. Rails, on the other hand, gives you structure. It has opinions in a good way. You don't have to figure out everything out from the scratch. You follow conventions and the magic starts to happen. It's made for people who want to build quickly without compromising code quality, and that's what I need. I don't want to become a backend engineer in the traditional sense. I just want to be able to build what I imagine from ideas to real. I know you guys will be saying that you can build things using AI, but when you're building things using AI just by writing prompts, you are not learning some anything, and you don't know whether that code is error free or whether it's secure or not. So that's another topic for another day. Now you might ask why start a YouTube channel for this? Because I have learned that sharing your knowledge publicly is one of the best way to stay committed. It keeps you accountable, it attracts people on the same path, and it turns learning into something more meaningful. I also know there are many designers and creatives who they're like me, who want to build but feel stuck when it comes to learning code. Maybe this channel can make it less intimidating. So I will be documenting everything, what I learn, what confuses me, what projects I am working on, what mistakes I make, and there will be many, and what eventually works. No polish, no guru's attitude, just a real learning journey. If you are wondering what kind of videos I will be posting, here is the plan, which is a very simple plan. Simple, beginner-friendly Rails tutorials, many projects like to-do apps, blog engines, donation platforms. So these are my plans, uh, learning how to fix errors in the code and all that. I'm not claiming to be an expert. I am just showing the process and a passion, and I hope that makes it easier for others to follow along too. So, if you are someone who has always wanted to build full stack apps, or if you are a designer like me trying to bridge the front end and back end world, you are welcome. Let's go from zero to Rails together. And one more thing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment if you are planning to. And let's build something amazing together. Thank you.